Over the past 20 years, I think one of the biggest reasons why Miller Weldmaster has been successful in the packaging industry is because we listen. We listen to what is important to our customers and tailor our products and services to meet their needs. Indeed, Miller Weldmaster has our own missions and our own goals, but our customers have learned to expect Miller Weldmaster to attend to their expectations, not just our own. On the bag closing side of our business, we work with companies and industries like pet food, nutrition, rice, chemicals, and more. Our customers depend on our reliability as uptime is critical. Our team understands how our customers' production environments are and what is important to them. Understanding our customers' expectations has helped us increase their uptime, improve their seal consistency, and reduce frustration over support of their equipment. On the box making side of our business, we again help customers who need more than just a machine. We help customers in need of equipment to produce boxes and service support when they need it, allowing Miller to take care of their equipment so that they can concentrate on reducing inventory or reducing shipping waste or creating boxes that fit their products. Our customers really see the difference knowing they are getting a team that is invested in their success, not just selling a machine and walking away. We are not just providing the machine. We are helping our customers improve their overall processes and grow their business long term.